Page 567, number 15. Use Cramer's rule to solve the system of equations. And we're given a system of equations here. Now we know we can solve this system graphically. We can use elimination. We can use substitution. We've got a number of different methods to use. One new method for us to use is called Cramer's rule. Here's what Cramer's rule is. To find the value of x, what we do, I'm going to write a fraction here. We're going to take a couple determinants. First of all, I'll talk about the determinant in the denominator. In the denominator, I'm going to find the determinant that I get from the coefficients of the x's and y's. So negative 7, 11, 3, and negative 9. In the numerator, I'm also going to find a determinant. Now the determinant I'm going to find here, since I'm solving for x, I'm going to take my two solutions and put them in place of the coefficients of x. And the coefficients of y will just stay as is. So if I find this determinant, divide by this determinant, I'll know the value of x. Well, remember we find determinants by multiplying diagonally. 9 minus, multiply diagonally the other way, 99. So 9 minus 99 is negative 90. Over, same thing on the bottom. Multiply diagonally, we get 63. Multiply by the other diagonal, we get 33. So 63 minus 33 is 30. And if I reduce that, I get negative 3. So x equals negative 3. Now we can find y the same way. I can say y is equal to, I can write my determinant in my denominator the same way. Now I don't really have to do that because I already know that that value is 30. Now my determinant in the numerator, I'm going to, since I'm solving for y, I'm going to take these two answers and substitute them in place of the coefficients of y. So the coefficients of x will stay the same. The coefficients of y will be negative 1 and 9. So let's find this determinant of the numerator. Negative 7 times 9 is negative 63 minus negative 3. So that's like negative 63 plus 3. That's negative 60. And if I reduce that fraction, I get negative 2. So my solution here is negative 3, comma, negative 2. And I can check this by plugging in my x and y into these equations. Negative 7 times negative 3 is 21. Minus 22 is negative 1. Plugging x and y in here, negative 9 minus negative 18, so it's negative 9 plus 18, that equals 9. So negative 3, negative 2, that's the x and y value. That will make both of these equations true.